Hello guys, today I am going to show the work of Tux Paint. So how you can open a Tux Paint? First of all, go to the status bar and type the Tux Paint, and then you can see the Tux Paint icon will be appear. You have to simply click on it. Tux Paint will be open, and after opening a Tux Paint you can look at like their display. It will show like that. So first of all you have to click on it and then here click open. Now Tux Paint will be open. So here is given the tools and here is given the colors palette, and this one is called the brushes. So what's the work of tools? We generally use the tools for making the shape. Like we are clicking, like we are making some shape, and there tools, multiple types of tools will be available. And this one is the color palette. Here we can change the color or add tool like na. So this is the Tux Paint basic. So this is the tools, this is the colors of palette, and this one is the brushes. It brushes comes out according to their choice of tools. Is it clear?